Timwe birebembirwe Mugabe Stephen David okuruga o Ministry ya National Forestry Authority batahiro mu nshongeji kongache batangarize okushanga ngu itaka ry'ekibera bakaryegaruza kare.
Itaka with the boundaries. With the government, we have all the maps. You cannot disappear. You were told we have all the the maps and the arrangement they were telling you.
If the interest is to have the forest as we must have one, I was proposing that I still give guidance. I'm a teacher by profession, and for us teachers, the basket of knowledge is never full. We learn every day.
Aba bagumizemu no kurambura emwe ahamyanya etahirirwe bitcashangwa ngu bamwe abebembezi bakabitamu ebyo butegeki.
We don't want now politics into this. Yeah. Because even yes the MP paid for license. Yes. But even National Forest Authority has not come on the ground to demarcate the area which will be taken by the MP.
We don't want politics, as we said yesterday. We don't want politics. But if we can raise any issue, please try to listen.
Yes.
Yes.
And if we are bringing an issue, we want to bring issues which have evidence. And if it is an allegation, you say it is an allegation.
No, we are not saying.
Bamwe ahabakama b'amataka n'abantu baburijo enshongeji bajigambereho bati
batugira ngo umwanya wo preservinga kugira ngo kwata mizi agakoretwa mu river ijeje ya cyamate kushara aharutindo kugira ngo amizi agatakasa kuretera abantu ubuzibu abantu bakadroninga gakashishe ibintu by'abantu
tutwire twine n'hondano y'ekibirecho ahabwa abashoma abarukutahirirayo nangwa no kwitara y'abantu kandi nicho Munisiparite yabire taking responsibility yo kuhabantu proxy ngubombekeyo ekibirecho kikargaho.
We are supposed to protect all the wetlands. So I must clearly say these trees which are near our swamp must be removed first of all.
Ekibera ekyagabirwe kirimu hectares zirukwingana 13 kandi obwahati kirimu plots ezirukwingana 53 aba National Forest Authority bahendire barukushaba ogwe ariyo mu kibera eki okwarugamu. Gasha kwa Simon Ayamba.